2023 was a crazy busy year, but what are we going to do in 2024? Hi there, welcome to the Teeny Tinkers channel. I make ball jointed doll and craft related content. My channel, art, and dolls changed a lot in 2023, but so did the way I plan and how well I plan. Taking 6 months off from sales gave me time to think about the future, and dolls are a big part of that future. So let's dive right into my plans for 2024, starting with my release schedule. I'm going to go through releases in chronological order starting in January with the first teeny tinies of the year, Gale and Flora. Flora is my very first object head doll, and rather than an electronic or something very cute like that, I did decide on a flower. So Flora has 3 flower variants, which are Rose, Pansy, and Gardenia. Her flowers go on as a faceplate with a magnet back and pegs. Gale is a classic head back doll, and she's a sweet, sad baby. You might recognize her from my 100 Days of Sculpting series. Both of these are going to be on the teeny tiny body I had for Echo, which is my newer teeny tiny body. I really need to give it a name, and be about 24 centimeters tall. I have actually finished them and painted them and everything, and that video will be out in the next week or so. And I hope you love them as much as I do, because honestly, they turned out super duper cute. I won't get too into it, but both are going to be available in tan and peach resin, but Flora will also be available in a 2-tone option for a few dollars more, where the body and head back are a green color and the flower is white. Moving on to February. Junie and Penelope's samples are with me, unpainted, and I need to customize them, but they are here. And so the pre-order is slotted for February 14th, Valentine's Day, until March 6th, my birthday. I'm currently working on a full set, and while it doesn't match my initial plan, I actually think it's cuter and more on brand for what I do, and still a love core theme. There are 6 color options. Yes, 6. A blushy pink color, a cornflower blue, a true buttercup yellow, a cool dark tan, a warm dark tan, and of course a peach. Also, I'm going to be offering 3D printed micro Junie and Penelope as a gift for full payment purchases again, but also purchasable on the side only when ordering a cast doll. This way, even people who are getting them on layaway still have the opportunity to get one. I'm also hoping to offer a micro version of the full set for maximum cuteness. As well, this body currently has 3 different chest options, small, medium, and large, 2 additional hand sets, as well as heel feet. True story, funny story, way back when, I accidentally sent my caster the wrong files for the hands and sent him my very first prototype hands for this doll, which were not on a magnet wrist, but the new hands are being prepped as we speak and should be on their way to me soon. Okay, let's skip ahead a couple months to April. If I can, I'm hoping to have an in-stock sale. This would be 3D printed kits, blank dolls, maybe full sets. I'm also hoping to offer some micro dolls here too, as well as mystery bags, which were a really big hit last time. You can also expect some little things like art dolls, jewelry, accessories, all of that good stuff. Since I'm planning to attend a convention next year and maybe even have a table, I might even have some stock from that, but I have to see which convention I want to go to. I do plan on being at Dolls North in Toronto next year though, so if you can make it out to Dolls Anime North, please do. Alright, that takes us into June. In June, if there's interest, I'm going to hold a second Celestial Squad pre-order. I'm adding a new locking mechanism to the hip joints for this body. I'm adding a new locking mechanism to the hip joints for the slim mini body for increased stability, as well as some small tweaks to the faceplates. The color offerings are going to be the exact same. Also, to anyone who has purchased a cast Celestial Squad doll, I will offer the new hip joints at cost plus shipping, and I will be offering discounts on the same faceplate you already have if you want to upgrade your faceplate. Please keep in mind that resin colors are mixed in batches, so I cannot guarantee a 100% match. So in October, I'm going to release my cute and spooky couple, Raven and Edgar. I did get Raven's initial samples along with Junie and Penelope's, but if I'm going to be completely honest, I'm feeling a bit unsure about it, and I'm thinking I'm going to bring it back to the drawing board. Partially because I'm not fully happy with the profile of this doll, And currently, Raven's face is a little too stylized to release alongside Edgar's in my opinion, so I'll probably redo her as well. However, speaking of Edgar, his face is officially done and I think he's so super handsome and soft and cute. As well, his alternative torso is also nearly done. I just have to add the final locks and do a test print and we should be good to go. I cannot wait to show you. Okay, this brings us into packaging updates. I know, super exciting. I finally found a doll bag I'm very happy with. However, it costs a bit more than double what the previous offerings have been, and it is a super cute bright yellow padded yellow carry bag with a see-through front panel. It does also come with a Teeny Tinkers vinyl logo. I have just photoshopped it in because I was still waiting for the logos to arrive at the time I filmed this. If you order the doll without the bag, it will come in one of those really cute soft blankets with my logo on it. And if you choose, you can add the bag onto your package for $25. This is less than the cost of the bag, but it is the difference in the cost between the pillow bag and this bag. But I promise it's really, really nice and I will be using mine constantly. By the way, as of the last few months, all of my packaging has been moved to my new logo with the blue, pink, and yellow colorway. So if you have a Teeny Tinkers item with the old logo, I don't know what that means, but it's kind of cool. Maybe in 20 years it'll be like a cool collector's item, who knows. Finally, as many of you know, I did begin adding number stickers into cast dolls and into the COAs this year so that I can track each doll and where they are, as well as keep records of what was popular, which colors people liked, etc. I'm going to be starting this with the micros and tinies in 2024 as well. And even though there are already a lot of them out in the wild, my very poor record keeping on them does not allow me to know what number I'm currently at, so I'm going to be starting off at number 1 with the Gale and Floral release. As well, micros and tinies are going to be sharing the same number system, so just keep that in mind. Alright, last little topic, and it's a short one, is big projects for content. These are just general overarching themes, but I thought I could mention them here. So in 2024, on this channel, I'm hoping to do some more long-form, kind of informative content. I love long-form deep dive type videos and video essays, and while there are a lot of work to do on a regular basis without a team, and with everything else I'm doing, I definitely want to make at least a few in 2024. I'm thinking it would be fun to do these deep dives as part of something new I'm trying out or a new product I'm looking at. But this would all depend on the topic, of course. Over on the second channel, you can also expect to see more crafting and art doll type videos. I'm going to be making a lot of really fun, interesting, weird little things over there, and a lot of it's going to be kind of kept chatty and casual. So if you like kind of hang out with me and chat, as well as process videos and behind the scenes stuff, that's all going to be over there. So don't forget to check it out. I've got my big diorama for my big dolls, but I do plan on turning my IKEA dollhouse shelf into a detailed diorama for my teeny tinies. Although if I'm finding it too small, I will switch and turn it into a micro house instead. But we'll see once I start planning it out. Okay, I know that was a lot of information and a lot of planning, and it's the end of the year and we just all want to relax. But I hope you enjoyed this video anyways. Let me know in the comments if any of this sounds super interesting to you or what you're most excited to see. I love to hear it and I love knowing what you guys think. If you're already subscribed, thanks so much for subscribing. If you're new here, I hope you like the content and consider subscribing. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day.